DIY masks are made with natural ingredients, so they are gentle on your hair and effective at restoring its health to give you shiny, gorgeous hair. And they can easily be made with ingredients in your kitchen. So whether your hair is dry and damaged or just needs some extra TLC, these masks will do the trick. We'll also be revealing a unique hair detangler you've never seen before, which removes your tangles and prevents from damage to your hair. Let's get right into how to use them and the recipes to keep your hair healthy. Why and how to use a natural hair mask. Hair masks can be a huge lifesaver no matter what kind of hair damage you have. They act as high-powered hair conditioners, giving your hair a boost of nutrients that it requires to restore damage, hydrate strands, enhance shine, and soften hair. Natural hair masks are better because they don't contain any harsh chemicals or artificial ingredients. They can be just as effective, if not more, than store-bought hair masks. We also recommend using organic ingredients as much as possible to avoid pesticides and other bad ingredients. How often you use a hair mask depends on your goal and your hair type. If you have damaged, dry hair, you might want to consider a hydrating mask 2 times a week. If you're more on the oily side or you have thin, straight hair, it's best to stick to the recommended once a week. In either case, don't overdo it. Start slow at first and see how your hair reacts and if it can handle more. Before you apply any hair mask, make sure to detangle your hair so the mask can be easily applied and all over your strands. You'll love using TangleGenie. It gently detangles without worrying about breakage thanks to its 360-degree bristle design. TangleGenie removes the most stubborn knots and tangles in both wet and dry hair, most extensions, beach hair, bedhead, and more. You'll be amazed at how quickly it leaves your hair tangle-free. Before we get into the recipes to create these nourishing masks, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell notification to keep getting helpful tips to make your hair look its best. Coconut oil plus honey hair mask to moisturize dry hair. Coconut oil is a remarkable ingredient for your hair. There is a considerable amount of fatty acid in coconut oil, which moisturizes and softens your hair, and also prevents breakage because it can retain the moisture. It penetrates through the hair more deeply than any regular conditioner, leaving your hair soft and shiny. Honey is also a great ingredient that gives your hair an extra boost of hydration and smoothens it. Not only does it moisturize your hair and scalp, but it also stops moisture from escaping. It moisturizes your scalp as well as to restore its softness and shine. So this is an easy and amazing homemade hair mask for dry hair and scalp. All you need to do is mix equal parts for both of these ingredients, making the quantity that will be enough for your hair texture and length. Detangle first, and then apply the mask from root to tip, making sure you cover all of your hair. If you have dry hair but an oily scalp, apply this mask midway or below the ears, meaning don't put it on your scalp. Leave the mask in for about 20 minutes before washing. Egg whites plus lemon hair mask to alleviate oily hair. This mask will work wonders for your greasy hair and oily scalp. Just make sure you stick with only the egg whites. Egg whites are rich in protein and vitamins, which can remove excess oil and buildup, strengthening damaged hair. Since proteins are the building blocks of hair, this protein through eggs help restore its health. The lemon acts as a natural pH balancer for the scalp, which boosts hair growth and reduces hair loss. It also enhances hair shine and lowers the possible smell of eggs lingering in your hair. If you have an oily scalp, lemon is a great ingredient for your hair due to its abilities to absorb excess grease and oil on the scalp. It is rich in vitamin C, which can make your hair stronger and promotes collagen building. Its acidic properties will help cleanse and protect your hair from any product buildup, dirt, or dust. Lemon also carries a compound to bring back the bounce and shine to dull, lifeless hair. So this remedy will not only help you get rid of your greasy hair, but also help restore your hair health. Just mix 1 egg white and the juice from half a lemon. Double or triple the recipe depending on your hair length. Detangle your hair with the TangleGenie and coat the mix on your hair from top to bottom. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Use lukewarm, not hot water to rinse off. Brown sugar and coconut oil hair mask to reduce dandruff. You might think we're creating a cookie base, but brown sugar and coconut oil together will help you get rid of dry, itchy scalp. This mask acts as an exfoliator for your scalp to remove flakiness and reduce dandruff. We've already talked about the benefits of coconut oil. The brown sugar grains in this mask break down into smaller components, which disintegrates the dead skin cells. Along with the great moisturizing properties of coconut oil, this mask is sure to help you get rid of dandruff and itchiness. To make this, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix well. Work the mixture into your damp hair after shampooing, concentrating on the scalp. Lightly massage for 1 to 3 minutes, then clip up your hair and let it settle in for a while. Then rinse and go on with your conditioner as usual. If you've made it this far and you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button. When you do, YouTube will know that you've enjoyed this video and will be more likely to share it with others. The more people that see it, the more people we can help, all thanks to you. Avocado, honey, and olive oil hair mask to repair damage and get rid of split ends. Okay, so you may seem to be wearing guacamole on your hair with this mask, but we promise it's rewarding. Using excessive heat styling tools, hair dyes, chemical treatments, along with pollutants in our environment and sun exposure, causes great damage to your precious hair. All of these wear out the structure of the hair cuticle, resulting in split ends leading to damaged hair. An avocado, honey, and olive oil hair mask can help you repair this damage and make your hair look healthier like never before. This hair mask is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which makes your hair stronger and shinier. The minerals in avocados seal the hair cuticle, while the proteins and vitamins in it nourish your hair, making it softer and shinier. An avocado-based mask not only benefits the strands, but also helps to hydrate and rejuvenate the scalp due to the natural oils in the avocados. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids, which will layer on the hair strands, making your hair extra silky soft and gives you a glossy shine to your damaged strands. This coating will also protect your hair strands from further damage. Olive oil is also a great ingredient to prevent split ends, breakage of strands, and even flyaways. We've already talked about the moisturizing properties and benefits of honey, so this is the moisturizing hair mask of your dreams. To make this mask, mash up half of an avocado with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Start at the ends and work your way up to the roots. Put your hair up in a shower cap and let it settle in for about 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse it with warm water, then shampoo and condition as usual. Not only does this hair mask make your hair soft as silk, the avocados in it can give you another great benefit. It behaves as a detangler, leaving your hair so easy to comb through. But if your tangles still won't go away, try giving TangleGenie a go for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair. Cinnamon and coconut oil hair mask for hair growth. If you're having a hard time growing your hair out, give this mask a try. Cinnamon may stimulate blood circulation in your scalp and improve blood flow to your hair follicles, strengthening your existing hair and promoting new hair growth. As you already know, coconut oil is great in hair masks due to its hydrating properties. Just add a teaspoon of cinnamon to a teaspoon of coconut oil and mix them well together. Detangle your hair using TangleGenie. Apply the mask starting from the top and make sure you massage it well into the scalp. Let it settle in for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as you would normally do. Remember to use organic ingredients as much as possible, as well as shampoo and conditioner that are also gentle to the hair. If you found a natural hair mask that works great for you, go ahead and share the recipe in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. We've got more hair mask recipes to share in the next video, so look out for it by subscribing to keep your hair healthy. Thanks for watching.